Well, here's Precious Piper in the office, on her office tuffet. Look at that with her straight tail. Oh, goodness! She got up. What's she gonna do over there? She isn't leaving the room. Looks like she's doing an inspection under the desk. Yeah, I can't get a good angle on this. There we go. Looks like she's busy inspecting something right next to the little file cabinet. Yeah, that's where I keep the scissors and the tape and envelopes and all kinds of stuff like that. She's checking it out. Okay. Yeah, looks like everything pretty much meets her inspection. There she goes.